Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all diet plan for fat loss. This diet plan is the most requested diet plan and is the best diet plan for those who want to reduce the inches from their body. It contains lots and lots of amount of protein and calcium that will help you strengthen your bones and muscles as well. So without any delay, let's get started with the diet plan. Now, early morning, as soon as you wake up, have 1 glass of warm water. This warm water will definitely help you kickstart your day and help to wake up your organs. Now, after this, have one fruit of your own choice. Now, it can be any seasonal fruit of your own choice, but preferably an apple is a good choice. It's time for your breakfast. Have your breakfast at around 9 to 9:30 am, for which we'll have two options. First is oatmeal with fruits, and the second option is masala oats. Now, it depends on your choice. If you want to eat something sweet, have oatmeal with fruits. If you want to eat something salty, then definitely go for masala oats. Now, why oats for breakfast? Oats, a whole grain, is high in fiber, high in protein, vitamins and lots of minerals. It is a nutrient-dense food. It makes you feel fuller for a longer time of the day. So have oats in your breakfast. Prepare oatmeal and have it as your breakfast along with fruits. Preferably early in the morning you should have banana, and in this oatmeal you can add three things: flax seeds, banana and almonds to make it more healthier. Now, along with this oatmeal, I would definitely recommend you to have 1 scoop of protein powder added in water to keep the protein content good in your diet. The best protein that I personally like is Oziva's protein powder. It is natural, it is herbal and good in each and every manner. 1 scoop of it contains 24 to 30 grams of protein, which is a very good amount of protein for the day to start. So have 1 scoop of protein powder in water, not in milk. And if you want to have something salty as your breakfast, go for masala oats. Prepare them with lots and lots of veggies, which can include onion, tomatoes, capsicum, French beans, zucchini and whatever else you like, along with pinch of pink Himalayan salt and black pepper powder as your seasoning. Now it's time for your mid-morning snack, for which we'll take 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea along with 1 fruit of your own choice. Now, if you do not like green tea, try flavoring it out. You can buy tulsi green tea or lemon and ginger honey green tea, or you can also buy any of these 3 tea options, that is peppermint tea, chamomile tea or apple cinnamon tea, my personal favorite of them all. The link to buy all of these teas is in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Now it's time for your lunch. For lunch, I'll give you again 2 options. The first one is black chana with brown rice and raita. Now prepare a sabzi out of black chana and have it along with brown rice and a bowl full of raita. I personally prefer to have black chana on a weight loss diet because I personally love to have black chana on a fat loss diet because it contains very good amount of protein and the fiber in it is definitely good enough to keep me full for a longer time of the day. Or you can also have black chana with multigrain roti. Now to prepare this multigrain roti, you can use any of these 3 atta options, that is jaw atta, oats atta or bran atta. Or you can also mix these 3 together and prepare a chapati out of it. It is the most healthiest option if you love having chapati or roti as your lunch. The best way to prepare raita is to add lots of salad to it, which includes cucumber, tomato and onions along with fresh coriander leaves. Trust me, this will make sure that you intake the salad as well and along with the calcium also. So prepare the raita in such a form and you will love having it. Now it's time for your mid-evening snack, for which you will have nuts, that is figs or anjeer, and along with some soaked almonds. Now I just cannot emphasize on the amount of nutritional benefits that the fig or that is anjeer has. It relieves you from the constipation. 2 to 3 figs soaked in water overnight are definitely a very good source of iron, and they also strengthen your bones because they contain at least 3% of calcium that is required for the daily intake of the body. So soak 2 to 3 anjeers in water overnight and have them as your mid-evening or mid-morning snack. Now it's time for your dinner. We'll do a star night and prefer to have our dinner at approximately 7 pm, which should be either boiled chana chaat or sprouts. Now it's as per your own wish, whatever you like. Boil the black chanas and prepare a chaat out of it, which will contain salad like cucumber, tomato, onion, Definitely add some amount of paneer to it too, and along with seasoning, that is pink Himalayan salt and black pepper powder. Or if you don't want to have that, you can also have sprouts, which again can be prepared in the form of a salad with lots and lots of salad, that is cucumber, onion, tomatoes and paneer definitely. So try having these recipes for your fat loss diet, and I can definitely tell you that you can start losing fat in a very good amount. Try to work out at least 30 to 45 minutes each day with this diet plan, as it will definitely help you gain that muscles and as well as to strengthen your body and bones. Definitely try to consume 2 to 3 liters of water with this diet plan for best and guaranteed fat loss results and to keep you hydrated entire day. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meals that I have mentioned in this diet plan. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I post or upload a video on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. I post and upload daily on my Instagram stories how my diet goes each and every day, and you will love seeing it. To buy anything listed in this video, the link to all of them is in the description box below. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.